When I look back on the story of Mainframe, I ask myself, why me? I was not from Ìbàdàn. I was not wealthy, and I was not a businessman in the conventional sense. I was simply a filmmaker armed with passion and a restless vision, already holding a few pieces of equipment that could not take me very far. And then came Oba Rashidi Adewolu Ladoja. He watched me quietly. When I approached him many years ago, he studied me and decided to take a chance. With £100,000 sterling, a fortune in those days, he unlocked the doors of possibility. That single act allowed me to acquire the extra equipment from London that became the foundation of Mainframe film and television productions. I gave him screen credit as executive producer in those early films because without him, they could not have been possible. But when he went into politics, I had to stop. You see, our films carry sharp commentaries on governance and society, and his opponents and even our audiences might have thought we were fighting his battles or producing propaganda on his behalf. That was never the case, and to his everlasting credit, Oba Ladoja never interfered. Not once did he prod, suggest, or influence the stories we told. He gave me freedom and he kept away from the creative process completely. You see, it was more than money he gave me, it was trust. He invested in a vision of cinema that could hold a mirror to society and not profit or power, and he never demanded anything in return. Even today, he tells people and with a smile when he reminds me that he concluded I could never be wealthy from these films. Perhaps not. What he enabled was far richer, a legacy of films that preserve our culture, challenge our leaders, and stir our people. During the pre-coronation days, as he held the Cordelia screening invitation and whispered, "This is my life," I understood. My journey is bound up with his. His generosity created a space for my voice, and my work now tells part of his story. I owe my success to that slice of humanity, to his courage to believe in me when a few others would. And as he ascends the throne of Olúbàdàn, his documentary film we started making a few years ago is not only about a king. It is about the man whose quiet decision shaped the course of Nigerian cinema. Kabiyesi, the people are excited about you and your reign.
kọ́ba má bà pa ní ọba tí lọ bá pa èmi forí balẹ̀ fún Ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ Adéwọlú ọba Ládọjà Ìbàdàn ọba Brazil Àkànmú ọ̀yọ́ lágbára olódò ọba àgbo ewu tọrọ o bá ní Àkànmú àdàgbà dàgbà kó ṣe ń tóbi ọ̀rí ọ̀gbẹ́ gba kó sùn tó ṣe ọmọ pé alágẹmọ èkó mọ̀jẹ̀sí àkàlà ọmọ kò ní sáláì lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ọdún láyé orí jẹ́ ká ẹ̀gbọ́ bí olúgbogbo ti gbó ká ẹ̀gbọ́ bí olúgbogbo ti gbó ká ẹ̀gbọ́ bí àgbà kan tó fọwọ́ tó lè ọrùn tó yọ òkú lọ́kìnní kò sí bọ́ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ pẹ́ láyé tó Àkànmú mo náà ní mọ̀sàré ọmọ ọ̀rí tẹ́ni bẹ́ẹ̀kì lójú ikú tí padà wá rúwé Adéwọlú Àkànmú padà wá Àkànmú padà lọ́ba nígboro Olúbàdàn. Àkànmú Adéwọlú Àkànmú ọ̀rí okú nílé lè gbà wọ́lọ́ mi bá mi Àkànmú ọlọ́run níjẹ́ kọ́kánjú kú.
I hereby present the staff of office to Oba, His Imperial Majesty, Senator, Governor, Engineer, my Baba, His Imperial Majesty Rashidi Adewolu Ladoja, Harrison the First.
Welcome for the presidential remarks. Numero uno citizen of Nigeria, His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR.
It's a big present, a great honor for me to be here as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to witness your coronation, to witness history, all the things that you've started, the deliberations, the expectations, and the history that we shared together. For this country, it is a great honor, a moment of history, that you ascend the throne of your forebearers.
Mr. President, wọ́n ní ìgbésẹ̀ àwọn olórí Ìbàdàn State. Abẹ́ẹ̀kọ́ lánàá ọdún mọ́kànlélọ́gbọ̀n ni ọkùnrin náà ní àǹfààní láti tẹ́lẹ̀. Ọjọ́ tó dáa sí sísìn tó ṣiṣẹ́ tó kù fún mi èmi ti máa sin àwọn àdúgbò mi kí n máa sin àwọn ọlọ́bàdàn kí n máa sin àwọn alẹ́kùnrin Ọ̀yọ́ kí n máa sin àwọn ará gbogbo ní tí Yorùbá bá wà. Gbogbo Nàìjíríà ti máa fi wọ́n, gbogbo Áfíríkà ti máa fi wọ́n, gbogbo lọ́dọ̀ máa lè fún lágbára sí. Wọ́n ti gbogbo ẹ̀yà Ìbàdàn ẹ̀tọ́ àmúra. Kóbí náà gbàsé ètò ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ọ̀sẹ̀ kan. Sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá yá tẹ̀ máa kàn fún mi, ó gbọ́ rédíò títí. Èyí lọ́kàn fún ẹ̀mú bẹ̀, ó dàbí gbogbo àwọn ọ̀dà tó 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 nìyẹ. Àbí ní gbogbo màá gbogbo nìyí sí ni. Lọ́dọ̀ náà, ó fẹ́ ti dájú pé iṣẹ́ ìwà máa ṣe gbogbo ọ̀sán àti lóru. Wọ́n á gbé lọ́dọ̀ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ní kọ̀mítì. Tó ẹ pé lábẹ́ ọ̀gá wa, ẹ̀yìn àti ìgbà mi, adé kọ̀mítì sílẹ̀.
Kabiyesi Rashidi Adewolu Ladoja is a unique lover of culture. Decades ago, Ìbàdàn used to be the center or the melting point of cultural expressions in theatre, dance, poetry, literature, broadcasting, music, and film. But gradually, Ìbàdàn lost out over time. During the reign of Rashidi Adewolu Ladoja, Ìbàdàn will regain her lost glory. Kabiyesi, I am grateful.
Báyọ̀